Gene, what are you doing?
Slicing the bread.
Slicing up the bread? Slicing up the bread for what?
For the pig head.
For the pig what?
The pig head. Brains.
Awesome. That's not brains.
This is not a good knife.
Ooh, that's some bread for the brains. And inside this aluminum, what could this be? Who could it be?
Oh.
Oh my God. That was just a scary little sneak. Jelena, what are we going to do?
What do you mean? It's gonna take this
We're going to take this.
for now and just let it sit.
Okay. What's going on, Mr. Piggy? Well, not too much. I woke up and
The whole place smells like
tried to walk around a little bit today, but I couldn't. And I went looking for some mud, but couldn't see any because I was just inside this little thing all day. And well, I don't have my legs or nothing.
Are you hungry?
Actually, I don't know.
Oh.
Hola.
What does the brain taste like?
Hello.
I like it, it's like a pate.
Oink, 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 oink.
You try it.
Oink, 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 oink. Okay.
Alright, so the brain is not so much brain. I guess this is a.
Dog pig.
Alright, I'm not gonna take it all for now because.
We're just gonna watch you and see if you like convulse or.
See if you're really positive or.
I mean, it just tastes like cold stuff.
Very cold. Not so spicy.
Is it better warm or cold?
I think it's warmer is better. It's a little too cold. Maybe I should put it in the microwave.
Yeah, why don't we zap it for a second? Yeah, this is it. It's just, yeah, kind of. I think this is just going to be kind of like liver a little bit. I don't think my brain would spread out like this, or would it? Just want to. It's exactly what I thought brains would be like.
You feel smarter. You like it?
I mean, I'm kind of swinging back and forth from being like, oh, well, it's just like eating anything, to being like totally grossed out.
I'll try it. I mean, why not?
Hmm.
Try it, but I don't have to like it. Exactly. He went for a very thin bit.
Yeah, we're like honorary Europeans.
Reaching up.
Just think of it as Nutella.
Nutella, yeah.
I'm allergic to
She's
Nutella.
allergic, yeah.
Oh god, Nutella! Think of it as meat paste. I eat chicken liver though, but chicken liver was delicious.
Yeah, I don't even eat that, so I don't have like that reference.
Oh, it's just pate. Hey.
Like
No
I
problem.
I used to have it on Vietnamese sandwiches. But even then, it's just everything else is so
Janine, you went for it. God damn.
I had cow brain before, I did not.
Oh, but that's the same.
Here's
Just
the
in
brain.
time.
Yeah.
Good taste? Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, cool.
I don't know if